In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix laggy streams on Discord. If your Discord streams feel choppy, delayed, or just not smooth, this guide will walk you through clear, practical steps you can follow right away. First, let's quickly understand what lag usually means in Discord streaming. Most of the time, it's either your internet connection struggling, your computer's hardware being pushed too hard, or your Discord settings not being optimized. We'll focus on what you can control easily, your own settings, and a few simple checks. Start by opening Discord and going into your user settings, which you'll find as the small gear icon near your username at the bottom. From there, look for the voice and video section. This is where many of the streaming performance settings live. Scroll through and make sure your input and output devices are correctly set, and that you're not using unnecessary enhancements that might increase the load on your system. Features like advanced voice processing and noise suppression can be great for calls, but sometimes they add extra work for your computer while you're streaming. Next, pay attention to the quality and frame rate settings when you start a stream. When you click on Share Your Screen or stream a specific application, Discord lets you pick resolution and frames per second. If you're experiencing lag, try lowering these. For example, if you're streaming at 1080p and 60 frames per second, step down to 720p and 30 frames per second. This reduces the amount of data Discord has to send and can immediately smooth out your stream for viewers. It's also important to close background applications that might be using bandwidth or processing power. Before you go live, check if you have large downloads running, cloud backups in progress, or many browser tabs open playing media. Shutting those down frees up resources for Discord. Another helpful step is to make sure your Discord app is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes cause performance issues. If things still feel sluggish, try restarting both Discord and your computer. A fresh start can clear temporary issues that build up over time. Finally, remember that your internet connection is a key piece of the puzzle. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stable streaming performance, and avoid sharing your connection with heavy downloads or multiple devices while you're live. Follow these steps, adjust your settings gradually, and test your stream after each change so you can see what works best for your setup.